If you have ever worked with cold porcelain clay, you know how frustrating it is to keep it clean, in shape, and to avoid cracks. So today, I will share a few simple tips that have made working with cold porcelain much easier for me. They are easy to follow and make the sculpting process much more enjoyable. Let's get started. The first tip is about dust. Dust is the most common problem we face while using this homemade clay. So before you start working, always clean the table and the tools. I use kitchen paper, a piece of scrap clay, or even lint roller to pick up tiny bits of dust before they end up on my pieces. It only takes a few seconds but makes a huge difference. I often use hand cream while kneading and sculpting with clay. Applying just a tiny amount helps stop the clay from sticking to your fingers. I even use it while coloring the clay because the process tends to be messy. Just don't use too much, otherwise the clay starts cracking. If your piece has already dried and you notice some dust on it, you can use earbuds, dip it in water or rubbing alcohol and wipe the surface. Most of the dust comes off very easily. If it doesn't come off, use a sharp tool and gently scrape off the surface. When I first started, I thought I needed lots of different sculpting tools. But honestly, I still use simple things every day. Most of the time, I only use this needle tool and an X-Acto knife to scrape the soft pastels while coloring the clay. If you are making something with a lot of details, don't try to sculpt everything at once. Instead, make them in parts and let them dry first. Or else, the soft clay goes out of shape and becomes dusty with all the handling. Once the base shape is dry, you can build details on the top. I always dry the head shape first and then make hair and facial details. The sixth and the last tip is about coloring the clay. If you want to color the clay in small amounts, instead of using acrylic paint or soft pastels, use a brush pen or a sketch pen. The color mixes in really well and there is no extra clay going to waste. Those were a few simple tips that have helped me while working with cold porcelain clay. I hope you found them useful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.